Hello everyone, in this video let's see how to create brushes from images and use them in your project. Also stick till the end to find how to download my free architecture brush preset collection. You can start searching for the images that you want to make as brush. Make sure you have a good quality image. There are many websites providing high quality cutouts to start with. Now you can open the files in Photoshop. Make selection of the subject that you want to convert to brush. Then simply go to Define Brush Preset under Edit menu. Rename the brush as per your wish and save it. I'll make another one quickly. After you have done with the creation, you can find those brushes under Brushes toolbox. You can select them and make them as group. Now you can use these brushes in your architectural diagrams. Now for the exciting part. I have created a set of brushes which contains people, trees, grasses, etc. By using these brushes alone, you can create images that convey your design. Use the opacity to show the depth of the image. For example, trees on the front will have higher opacity than the trees on the back. By using these techniques, you can create immersive images. All these are done with the free brushes provided. You can download them for free. Links are in the description. To import the brushes to Photoshop, simply select Import Brushes and find the downloaded file and select it. There you go. You can use these brushes for free and improve your architecture presentation. And that is all for today, guys. If you found the video useful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.